Hello student, welcome and very good morning to you. Today I will be discussing the DPP on propagation of error, that is DPP 7. This video and my previous 6 video will be extremely helpful to the student who are preparing for NEET, Main, Advanced and WB joint. I hope you will understand these videos and please give a comment on this video. This comment will be helpful for me to give you a better video for you. Okay, now let's start. Now formula needed for these numericals. Look at this. If a equal to this is the x to the power n. So relative error of a, that is delta a by a, this equals to n delta x by x. If b equal to this is the x to the power m, y to the power n divided by z to the power p, then delta b by b, this equals to m delta x by x plus this is the n delta y by y plus y by y plus this is the p delta z by z. Okay, now look at the numerical one. If a equal to x square, then relative error in f is. So look at this here, a equal to x square. Therefore, relative error of f, that is the delta f by f. This is the part 2. So this is the 2 type of relative error of x. Okay. So look at this. Option 1 is correct. Now look at this. Question number 2. When what is the fractional error of g calculated from t equal to this equation? Given that fractional error in t and l are delta x and delta y respectively. So look at this, squaring this equation, we get t square equal to 4 pi square, this is the l by g. So from here you can get g equal to this is the 4 pi square l by t square. Okay. Now look at this, the relative error of g, this equals to the relative error of l. So this is the relative error of l plus 2 times the relative error of period. Look at this here, delta t by t equal to x and delta l by l is the y. So y plus 2x is the relative error of z. Okay. So look at this. This is the 2x plus y is the relative error of z. Now question number 3. While measuring the acceleration due to gravity by simple pendulum, a student makes positive error of 1% in the length. That is, look at this, delta L by L. This is the 1%. Okay. And the negative error of 3%. Delta G by G. Look at this. This is the 3%. Okay. Of the in the value of the time period. His percentage error in measurement of value of g will be, look at this here, t equals to 2 pi root under L by g. So look at this, from here you can get t square equal to, this is the 4 pi square L by g. So look at this, from here g equals to, this is the 4 pi square L by t square. So look at this is the delta g by g. This equal to, look at this, delta L by L plus this is the 2 delta T by 2. Now we have to calculate the maximum percentage error. So maximum percentage error never be negative. So look at this here, delta L by L 1%, here delta L by L 1% and 2 into delta T by T, this is the 3%. So look at this is the 7% is the maximum error in measurement of acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Now look at this, question number 4. A physical quantity x is given by this. The percentage error of k, l, m, n be 1%, 1%, 3% and 4%. Okay. So look at this equation. You can write x equals to 2 k cube L square divided by this is the m into n to the power half. So look at this, the relative error of x, that is delta x by x. This is the 3 times of relative error of k plus 2 times the relative error of L plus relative error of m plus half times the relative error of n. So look at this. This is the 3 into 1%. No problem. Plus 2 into 1%. Plus this is the 3%. Plus half into this is the 4%. Okay. So look at this. This is the 3% plus 2%, 5%, 5% plus 3%, 8%, 8% plus 2%. This is the 10%. Okay, understood? 3% plus 2%, 5%, 5% plus 3%, 8% plus 2%, 10%. Look at this. Option 2 is correct. Okay, next. Now, question number 5. A quantity x is represented by x equals to m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. The percentage error in measurement of MLT are alpha percent, beta percent, and gamma percent. Percentage error in x. Look at this. Here, delta x by x. Look at this. Here, delta x by x equal to a times the relative error of m plus b times the relative error of l plus c times the relative error of t. Okay. Now look at this. The relative error of m is the alpha. Relative error of l is the beta, and this is the gamma. So look at this. This is the a alpha plus beta gamma, b gamma. Sorry, b beta plus b beta plus this is the c gamma. Okay. Look at this. Option A is correct. That is option 1 is correct. Okay. Now, question number 6. The dimensional formula of physical quantity x is this. The error in measurement of m, l and t are 2%, 3% and 4%. The maximum percentage error in measuring the quantity x. So, look at this from here. This is the delta x by x. This is the delta m by m. Okay. Here minus will be not come in here place because we have to calculate the maximum error of x. Now this is the 3 delta L by L plus 2 delta T by T. So look at this. Error in measurement of m is 2%. So look at this. This is the 2% plus L is the 3%. So look at this, 3 into 3%. And T is the 4%, so 2 into 4%. Okay. So look at this. This is the 2% plus 9% plus this is the 8%. Okay. No problem. So look at this. This is the 19% is the relative error of x. Look at this. Option 4 is correct. Now question number 7. The pressure P and volume V of gas are related as P V to the power 3 by 2 equal to K. The percentage change in the pressure for decrease of 0.5% in the volume. Look at this. Here delta V by V, this equal to minus 0.5%. Look at this. Here P equals to, look at this K, this is the V to the power minus 3 by 2. Look at this. Here delta P by P is, this is the minus 3 by 2 into delta V by P. Look at this. This is the 3 by 2 and delta V by V is the minus 0.5%. So look at this. This is the, look at this. This is the 0.75%. This is the positive value. Look at this. Option 2 is correct. Now look at this question number 8. The side of a cube is 2.00 plus minus 0.01 meter. The volume and surface area of the cube are respectively. Look at this. Here volume V becomes, this is the side cube. So this is the L cube. So L cube means this is the 8. So this is the 8.00. Okay, and look at this delta V by V, this equals to 3 delta L by A. So look at this here, delta V by 8, this equal to, this is the 3 into delta L. Delta L is the 0.01 divided by, this is the 2. So look at this, delta V equal to, this is the 3 into 0.01 into 8 divided by 2. Now this and this is the 4. So look at this is the 0.12. Now V equals to 8.00 and delta V is the 0.12. So look at this option is correct for volume, as this is only one times, so this is the correct option for both. Okay, now question number 9. A thin copper wire of length L increases in length by 2% when heated from T1 to T2. If a copper cube having side 10 L is heated from T1 to T2, what will be the percentage change in area of one face of the cube and volume of the cube respectively? Look at this, the increment of length in L is 2%. So increment of length for 10L is also 2%. Therefore, change of area, change of area S is the, this is the 10L whole square. So look at this, S equals to 100L square. 100L square, therefore delta S by S is the 2 delta L by L. Now delta L by L 2%, so this is the 4%. As volume is equal to L cube, so percentage increment of volume is 3 times the percentage increment of length. So look at this, 4% the increment of surface area and 6% the increment of volume. Look at this is the option 4 correct. Okay, many thanks for watching this video. This video will be extremely helpful for you for your preparation in NEET, main and advanced. Okay, thank you.